Grigory Grabovoi concentration exercises for the 16th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you should concentrate upon those elements of the external reality in which your body comes in contact. As children, we remember hearing praises sung to the sun, the fresh air, and the pure, cool water of a nearby lake. In this concentration session, you should try to become aware of how you interact with those friendly elements. Concentrate on the warmth, which the rays of the sun bring you. You can feel their touch and sense their warmth. You can feel the gentle breeze that caresses your body. You can feel its breath. It may also be a strong gust of wind or the still air of a hot summer day. And if it is very hot and humid, then you can feel the warmth, air, and moisture on your cheeks all at the same time. The refreshing effect of water can also be felt when you wash yourself, take a shower, or go swimming. This concentration exercise can also be performed during the cold months, since your face remains uncovered even in winter. And during the warm season, particularly in summer at the beach, your whole body can enjoy contact with the sun, air, and water. You can also add to this your contact with the earth. This exercise is extremely important because it involves conscious interaction with the elements of nature. You can, of course, practice this technique every day. If you keep your desired result in your consciousness while you practice this concentration exercise, you will ensure that it takes place. Exercise number 2, 16th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 9-digit sequence. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 0, 9, 1. Exercise 3. You should learn to feel harmony wherever it is, for it is everywhere and is always present there. It is the harmony of the Creator. Feel harmony where it is, where it was, and will be. This is the harmony of your personal growth and development. Feel it where it is, where it was and will be, and also where it was not, where it is not, but where it will always be. This is the harmony of change, the harmony of transformation. It is the harmony of the transformation into eternal life. Come everywhere unto yourself. Feel this harmony everywhere, and you will see how waves of love and joy emanate from your harmony. You will see that you are making the world harmonious forever in its permanent and eternal essence. You are a warrior, but you have now become a warrior enjoying God's eternal benevolence while you assure an eternal life and eternal faith.